So, hi audience, we have Astha Sood with us today. She has completed her law degree from Punjab University, Chandigarh, I guess,
Yes.
and now she is starting her career with Clarivate Analytics. So, congratulations, Astha.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
So, I was reading your resume. You have always been a very bright student academically, and you did really well with your even with your law degree. So, what made you decide that intellectual property is the right career path for you?
Ma'am, during my law school days, like I would not categorize myself as bright. I'll say I'm okay, I'm above average, but like I experienced a lot. I did a lot of internships and
Yeah.
did a lot of competitions. And while doing those internships, I realized that litigation is not for me. And like I would work better in a basically like secure job, because in litigation, as a first generation lawyer, if you're a first generation lawyer, then it's a lot of struggle.
Mm-hmm.
And I cannot work under that much of pressure. No doubt, even a corporate job has pressure, but at least there is some surety.
Right.
And also, like while experimenting, I did litigation internships as well as corporate internships. So I found out that I was most to like inclined towards the corporate field.
Awesome, awesome. And Clarivate Analytics, no doubt, is a very great company to start your career. So, how are you feeling that you're in one of the top companies in India?
Ma'am, I'm feeling very like it happened all of a sudden. Like within I think 3 or 4 days, everything
Hmm.
happened, and like I was not able to process. But now that it has happened, like I have got a job and like there is some surety. So I'm very happy. My parents are very happy, and ma'am, all thanks to you and your team. Like I am very thankful to your team and you especially. Like everybody is so cooperative. I think I used to feel कि कामाक्षी मैम तो मेरे से irritate हो गए होंगे
नहीं,
after a certain point of time, but she was so cooperative, Dhyani ma'am and like Prakhar sir. Uh, what happened? Like I had applied through LinkedIn,
नहीं.
and I got a call from their HR in the morning, and
Hmm.
they said that we'll have a general test today afternoon.
Hmm.
So I
Hmm.
panicked so much because it was my first interview, like first proper interview, and like I called Dhyani ma'am, Kamakshi ma'am, then Prakhar sir guided me ki okay,
Right.
relax, like go through this like that. Then my interview was scheduled one day before Diwali.
Yeah.
So even at that point of time, I was thinking like you guys must be busy with Diwali, because obviously, but still like everybody was very sweet. Prakhar sir again guided me like do this, focus on these things, focus on these things. So because of that, the process went very smoothly, and like I'm very thankful and very happy to you and your team.
Awesome, awesome. Master, it's just all your hard work, I will say, because you made all the right steps for yourself, and you trusted our program, you trusted our institute, and the results are in front of you. So, what about your other friends? Like they must be, you must have told them that you got a job in a good company. So, what are your other friends doing? They're in some law firms, or what they're doing?
Ma'am, most of my friends are into like basically litigation. Like they have somebody in their family who is a
Okay,
lawyer, and most of them are preparing for judiciary. However, I
okay,
do not want to go into that route because I cannot imagine my like myself being in that life
okay.
forever.
Yeah,
So
yeah, I understand.
everybody is happy. Like they're like, you wanted a corporate job, you've got one, and everybody is happy.
Great, awesome. So, Asta, let's rewind back. So, when you did your law program, and when you were like researching, so how did you came to know about IIPT and our courses?
Ma'am, during my law program, actually, what happened, I had planned to do internships. I had interest in intellectual property from the starting.
Okay.
I had planned to do internships, but then Corona happened, and I
Hmm.
could not like proceed in that particular field.
Mm-hmm.
So after like I completed my law school, I was just exploring that I get a head start in this direction.
Mm-hmm.
So I think I attended one of your webinars,
Mm-hmm.
and to be honest, like I was very skeptical initially,
Mm-hmm.
like whether should I join, should I like pay such a like amount. But
Right.
I would now categorize that as an investment rather than a payment, because like even the HR, Clarivate HR, he first thing he asked like, okay, you've completed the course, then it will be smooth for you, don't worry.
Yeah.
Like, okay, thank you. So then I got a call from Kamakshi ma'am, and she like guided me throughout the process. She was there like every time. She was also on her toes. I used to like trouble her for small things, I guess. But I guess the main thing, like, no doubt, your teaching faculty is very nice, like you and Prakhar sir. Like, even now, if I think about patent prosecution, that flowchart comes to my mind.
Yeah.
It is like stuck there. But more than that, what I feel is like IIPTA provided me more of a like a platform as an intermediary,
Mhm.
and like it provided me with the right skills, and
Mm.
those skills helped me like move further. And moreover, I got proper guidance, because
Mm.
being from a non-law background, nobody's my in my family is there to guide. I got like a proper mentorship and guidance, more
Mhm.
than like, obviously the program was very helpful in itself, but this was like a cherry on the cake.
Great. Awesome. Awesome. So, Asta, any message you want to give to other law students? Because there are many law students who are still struggling. They are not able to decide. They want to enter into corporate, but there's no path. So, any small message, any small tip from your end to them?
I'll just say, like, explore as much as you can. Like, do all internships. Like, don't decide, like, I want a corporate job only, I want to do only litigation. Experience both, and then, like, weigh the pros and cons for yourself, because, like, none of my friends are into corporate. Everybody is into litigation or judiciary.
Hmm.
But because I did those internships and I did both of them, I know that this will suit me better.
Mhm.
Most of them did not even experience corporate, because they were like कि नहीं lawyers है तो court में जाएंगे.
Mhm.
So I would just suggest, like, explore as much as you can, do internship, and I think that will be much.
Awesome, awesome, Asta. We at IIPT, we are so proud of you, and we are so happy that what promise we made to you, we are able to deliver, and we are so elated. And I'm so excited that your new journey is going to start. And I'm so thankful to your family members because they trusted you, they supported you, because this is more important for any fresher to start career in the IP field. And I know that the Clarivate Analytics is the top company. You will excel into it. You will find a lot of alumni of IIPT even there. We have a lot of students working there from us, and it's a great company. And I wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. I would like to thank you and your team, especially for making this happen, for
All
like
right.
bridging the gap mainly.
Awesome, 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 Master. Thank you so much for talking
Thank
to
you,
me.
ma'am.
All
Thank you
right.
so much.
Bye.
Bye. Take care, ma'am.
You too.